If you have ever seen the traffic signal, then you must be aware that it consists of three colors, that is red, which stands for stop, yellow means it tells driver to slow down. It is not actually yellow, it is amber, which is the combination of yellow and orange. And the third color is green, which tells driver to keep going. But do you know that each and every country in the world follows same combination of colors? Well, my favorite color is blue, so am I allowed to use blue color? Is it possible for us to use color of our choice for traffic signal? Well, the answer is no, because these three colors are chosen because there is a very important scientific reason behind them. Let us see what are they. We know that electromagnetic spectrum consists of visible region, and visible region can be seen by the human eye. Visible region consists of 7 different colors, that is Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Violet color has least wavelength. It has least wavelength, but if we shift towards the red end, then red end will have highest wavelength. Wavelength of violet color is greater than 400 nanometers, while wavelength of violet color is less than 400 nanometers, while wavelength of red color is greater than 700 nanometers. Okay. Now, there was a scientist called Lord Rayleigh. He published a paper in 1871. In that paper, he stated that amount of scattering, that is S, is inversely proportional to the fourth power of the wavelength of light. Okay. So, light traveling in air will be scattered by the molecules present in the air. Okay. So, light emitted by this red lamp will travel through the air and it will reach person's eye. But the air has lot of small particles present in them. Okay, so these particles present in the air will try to scatter the light in different directions. So if light gets scattered, then will it be able to reach human eye? Well, the answer is no. If all the light gets scattered in air, then it won't reach human eye. So we require light which will not be scattered by the particle. So according to Lord Rayleigh's law, S is inversely proportional to lambda raised to 4, which means higher the wavelength, lesser will be the scattering. So we have to choose light which has higher wavelength. So out of these 7 colors, which color has higher wavelength? Yes, red color, red, orange, yellow and green has higher wavelength as compared to the other 4 colors. Okay. So red, orange and green color will not be scattered by the particle. I am not saying that 100% amount of light will be able to reach human eye. Some of them will be scattered, but the rate of scattering will be very less because the wavelength is very high. Okay. Now if I would have used blue color instead of red, what would have happened? If instead of red I used blue color, then blue color will travel through the air, then particles present in the air, particles like oxygen molecules, nitrogen molecules and other dust particles etc. will scattered this light. Okay, so since wavelength of blue light is less, so scattering will be more. So most of the light will get scattered in different directions, and very few amount of light will be able to reach human eye. And if a driver is seeing this is watching this signal from a longer distance, then he won't be able to see any light at all if we use blue light instead of red. And if you are living in a country where weather is always clear, then that's not a problem. But if you are living in a country where it's where it's always foggy or always rainy, then what particles, there will be a lot of particles present in the air, and they will try to scatter a lot of light, because of which using light with lesser wavelength will be a problem. It can cause accidents and other problems also. That is why light color which has higher wavelength, that is red, amber and green, is chosen. And each and every country in the world uses same combination of light. So here is the, I hope you have understood why we use these three colors or combinations. And if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have not watched my previous videos, please watch them and follow my videos. Thank you.